Few issues in Zimbabwean politics have generated as much debate as Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, Cap 3. Zarapena mashoko kubuda panguva ino patinoona kuti nhau yema-constitutional amendments yoonekwa kunzi yokonzeresa chaos, yokonzeresa ma-issues munyika yeZimbabwe. Panguva ino tinoona kuti the Cap 3 yauya panguva ino ichivhoterwa zvakanyanya ku-the National Assembly pamwe chete neku-the Senate, zvaita kuti nyika yese yeZimbabwe yangomirira kuchiona kuti zvii zvakuchizoitwa panguva ine. Next, don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipta mano mobile kwa mchinzi. Much of the public discussion is understandably focused on questions of democratic representation, political legitimacy, and the balance of power within the state. Yet beyond the domestic political contestation lies another important dimension that deserves careful consideration. How constitutional architecture influences investor perceptions, sovereign risk assessment, and long-term economic planning. For international investors, political institutions are not merely legal arrangements. They are a mechanism that shape predictability, policy continuity, dispute resolution, and the broader operating environment within which businesses allocate capital. Whether one supports or opposes Cap 3 politically, it is difficult to deny that its proposed institutional reforms have significant implications for the way Zimbabwe would be assessed by foreign investors, multinational corporations, development finance institutions, and political risk consultancies. From a political economy perspective, Cap 3 represents more than a constitutional amendment. It signals a potential restructuring of how power is exercised, how leadership transitions occur, and how long governments are afforded to implement policy programs. These factors sit at the heart of international country risk analysis. Toma developments are buda panguva ine chiona Cap 3 ichianalyziwa. Kana kuma section medu zafungura enyimoti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like on the bell icon.